In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add the DuckDuckGo extension to your browser. Let's get started. The process is similar on any browser. First, launch your browser. For this guide, I'm going to add extension in the Microsoft Edge. After you launch the browser, at the top right, you're going to find 3 dots. Click on that. Now select the option Settings. Once you're over here, at the left hand side, you're going to find different option. Click on Extensions. Now click on the option Get Extension for Microsoft Edge. Now go ahead and search for the extension DuckDuckGo. Once it appears, click on it. Then click on the option Get. After it has been installed, open a new tab. Then search for DuckDuckGo. Head over to its official website and you'll be directed to the DuckDuckGo browser. So this way you can easily add DuckDuckGo in any browser. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.